Hey guys, I haven't done a Fanimation at night video yet. That's because I've been busy and haven't had much of a chance. Plus, not a whole lot has changed here. Usually, I do my night videos to show, like, if I show up and there's a whole bunch of new stuff. Yeah, I don't think there's a whole lot different. Other than what we're doing in the museum. I think the biggest difference is probably the, just what's in the scrap, you know. Just turn that light off. So here's what's in the giveaway. There's an embrace, an air decor, some Spitfires, a Monte Carlo fan. We'll probably pull some more stuff out of the scrap. There's a lot of Beckwiths and Allen and Roth. There's a Beckwith Americana parts. One of these things, I can't remember what they're called. Orbital fan, more Beckwiths. A lot of Spitfire motors. Good God. Why so many Spitfire motors? So, yeah, I'm just heading out for the night. I did a lot today. Stayed longer than I intended. We'll go through the lab to see if there's anything new in the lab. I don't think there is. Nope, it's just, there's some less fans in here, but it's the same fans that always been here. There's a metal Enigma. Anything in here? Nope. Same big boy. It's always been there. Yeah. Has there always been a, what you call it in there? Picket? Can't remember. So this might be the coolest new addition to Fanimation. I'll turn on the light so you can see if I can figure out which light switch. Nope. Nope. Still not the one I was looking for. I was looking for those lights, but there is the mini Urban Jet. I want one of these badly. I know when my wife sees it, she will want one even worse than me. So, okay. Well, that's it for Fanimation at night. I'll do some more videos once I finish some projects.